Hey, I'm Aria. Let's make Excel Excel. Tired of nested if statements that look like a wall of parentheses? Ifs is your replacement. It checks conditions in order and returns the value for the first one that's true. Cleaner, faster, easier to read. Let me show you 4 ways to use it. Here's the Pokémon table. I want to categorize Charizard by total stats into low, medium, or high. Cell K3 equals ifs, open paren. First condition, if total in F3 is less than 350, comma, return low in quotes, comma, second condition, if total is less than 550, comma, return medium, comma, third condition, if total is greater than or equal to 550, comma, return high. Close paren, hit enter. Charizard's total is 534. That's not less than 350, so skip. It's less than 550, so we get medium. Ifs reads top to bottom and stops at the first true condition. So order matters here. If I'd put 550 before 350, it would behave differently. Always go from the most specific or strictest test to the broadest catch-all at the bottom of your stack. Same idea, different stat. Now let's rate Charizard's HP power. Cell K7 equals ifs. First, if HP in G3 is less than 60, comma, weak, comma, if HP is less than 100, comma, moderate, comma, if HP is greater than or equal to 100, comma, strong. Close, hit enter. Charizard's HP is 78, fails the first test, passes the second test since it's under 100, so we get moderate. Notice the structure is identical to the total formula, just pointed at a different column and using different thresholds. That's the beauty of ifs. Once you've got the pattern down, you can apply it to any metric you want. HP, attack, defense, speed, sales numbers, customer ratings, test scores, anything that needs to be bucketed into clean tiers. One formula, 3 branches, no nested ifs, no headaches. Now things get interesting. So far we've tested one column, but what if I want to mix conditions across different stats? Let's analyze Blastoise. I'll check 3 different columns and add a default at the end. Cell K11 equals ifs. First condition, if HP in G4 is greater than or equal to 80, comma, tough, comma, second, if attack in H4 is greater than or equal to 100, comma, strong, comma, third, if defense in I4 is greater than or equal to 100, comma, tank. Then here's the trick, comma, true, comma, balanced in quotes, close paren, hit enter. Blastoise gets strong. Why? HP is 79, just 1 point under 80, so the first test fails. Attack is 103, passes the 100 threshold. IFF stops right there and returns strong. Never even checks defense. The true at the very end is the catch-all. True is always true, so if every other condition fails, that's what fires. Put true last, always, otherwise it short-circuits everything else and you get the wrong category. That's how you make Excel Excel. And if you want to take your ifs logic and turn it into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.